In today's video, I'm going to teach you Personalized Organized on ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile workspace that can bring structure to your personal life, whether you're juggling errands, goals, or a household budget. I'll walk you through a simple setup using templates, with a few tips to make it truly yours. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to ClickUp's official site. At the top right, select Sign In. If you want the fastest, most secure route, choose Sign In with Google and pick the account you use for productivity. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Switch to the list view under all tasks in your workspace so you're starting from a clean, familiar layout. From here, create a new folder or list. This gives you a dedicated home for your personal organization system. After creating it, look to the left sidebar and open the More Options menu, then choose Templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they bundle views, fields, and sample tasks into a ready-made structure. In the template library, use the search bar and type Personal. You'll see several options tailored for personal organization, including personal productivity and budgeting. Click into the option that fits your needs to preview it. Then select Use Template. When prompted, type into the highlighted name field and give your folder or list a clear, memorable name that matches your life, like Home Command Center or Personal Planner. Confirm by clicking. Use Template again to finalize it in your space. Now, let's explore the views and fields the template provides so you can put it to work immediately. Open the Budget Items view to see a straightforward list of expenses and recurring payments. Click into the highlighted title area to rename or personalize an item, such as updating a bill's name or category. Select the Due field to set amounts and due dates. This keeps your totals accurate and reminds you what's coming up. Switch over to the Budget by Category view to see spending grouped in a way that makes trends obvious at a glance. This is great for spotting where you might want to adjust next month. When you're finished customizing, click back to your main workspace to see everything in context. Remember, templates are flexible. Add tasks, tweak fields, and adjust views until the layout mirrors your routines. A clear naming system and a few consistent fields, like due dates and categories, will keep your setup tidy and dependable. That's it. Your personalized, organized ClickUp space is ready to support your day-to-day life. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!